What if I told you that adding just a little structure to your day could actually calm your brain and make you feel more in control? Yeah, I didn't believe it either, until my own routine fell apart faster than a probationer's first chase. After 12 years on the force, I thought retirement would be a breeze. All naps and belly rubs and no structure. Turns out, structure isn't boring, it's brain soothing. Your brain is wired to seek order. Without it, you stay in reactive mode, constantly standing, planning, stressing. But when you build structure, you engage the prefrontal cortex. That's your decision-making center. It gives your mind a break, then less chaos, more calm. When you don't have structure, you're like a pup chasing 5 tennis balls, unfocused and exhausted. So let's unleash the chaos with a few simple strategies. Strategy 1. Create defaults. Have go-to decisions for meals, clothes, even when you check your phone. It saves mental energy. Strategy 2. Time block. Set fixed hours for focused work, rest and routines. It's like knowing when to fetch and when to nap. Strategy 3. Add anchor points. These are stable knowledge in your day, like your morning tea, the midday walk. Journaling before bed. They help your nervous system feel safe. And here's the magic. When life throws you a curveball, and be real, those anchor points are still there. Even when your schedule shifts, you've got something solid to return to. Planned and expected. Reliable. It's like a mental reset button built right into your day. And here's a bonus tip, the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes to do it now. Don't let little tasks pile up like squeaky toys on the couch. So no, structure doesn't trap here, it frees you. It frees your mind to reset, recharge, then maybe chase a dream or two. Now, if you'll excuse me, my planner says it's time to nap. Oh, wait. Before I chat into Dreamland, if you like this video, share it with those who care about. Like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, let me know too. I'd love to hear from you.